which says 2 dice are tossed, the probability that the total score is a prime number is. So let's understand this by writing given. So in given we have 2 dice are tossed. तो अगर 2 dice को toss करेंगे तो what are the total possible outcomes? So we'll write total possible outcomes. एक dice को toss करेंगे तो we'll have 6 possible outcomes. So 2 dice को किया तो we'll have 6 into 6, that is equals to 36. Now let's understand the solution. हमें क्या निकालना है कि what is the probability that total score is a prime number. So favorable outcomes निकाल लेते हैं, right? So we'll say favorable outcomes when total score is a prime number are. So what are the favorable outcomes? Let's list them one by one. तो सबसे पहले हो सकता है कि फर्स्ट डाइस में 1 आ जाए, सेकंड डाइस में 1 आ जाए. दिस इज वन पॉसिबल आउटकम. देन नेक्स्ट 1,2 बिकॉज सम करेंगे तो 3 आएगा, यहाँ सम 2 आएगा. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Then 1,3 not possible because summation 4 आ जाएगा and 4 is not a prime number. Then 1,4 is another possibility where summation is prime number 5. Then 1,5 will gives us 6 which is not possible. Then 1,6. So 1,6 will give us 7 and 7 is a prime number. Next, अगर हमने 1 के साथ ये लिख लिया कि अगर फर्स्ट डाइस पे 1 आता है तो सेकंड डाइस पे 1, 2, 4, 6 पॉसिबल है. सिमिलरली फर्स्ट डाइस पे अगर 2 आ गया तो सेकंड डाइस पे 1 आ सकता है बिकॉज 2 + 1 is 3 which is a prime number. Then 2,2 is not possible. 2,3 is another possibility. 5 summation होगा which is a prime number. 2,4 is not possible. 2,5 is another possibility because 7 is a prime number. Then 2,6 will give us 8. 8 is not a prime number. Similarly we can write 3,1 which is not possible because summation 4 है. 3,2 is possibility because summation is 5 which is a prime number. 3,3 not possible. 3,4 is another possibility which will give us the summation as prime number. There are no more possibilities with 3. Then first dice पे let's say 4 आ गया. So 4,1 is possibility because 5 is a prime number. 4,2 6. 4,3 will be 7. So that is we can consider. 4,8 not possible. 4,5 and 4,6 also not possible. Then let's talk about first dice पे अगर 5 आ गया तो. So 5,2, 5,1 तो नहीं हो सकता. 5,2 हो सकता है. 5,3 not possible. 5,4 not possible. 5,5 not possible. Then 5,6 because 11 is a prime number. Then finally 6 के साथ तो 6,1 हो सकता है. 6,2 not possible. 6,3 भी नहीं हो सकता. 6,4 not possible. Then 6,5. So these are the number of favorable outcomes जहाँ पे हमें समेशन करेंगे तो प्राइम नंबर मिलेगा. तो कितने लिखे हमने? 4 and 3 7, 7 and 2 9 and 2 11, 12 13 and 15. So total favorable outcomes are, so total favorable outcomes, this is equals to 15. तो required probability क्या हो जाएगी? The required probability will be equals to, so you can write required probability is equals to total favorable outcomes which is 15 divided by total possible outcomes which is 36. तो इसको simplify करेंगे. So this will be 3 5s and 3 12s. So answer is 5/12. Let's check the options which is the correct option. 5,12, option B is the correct answer. So we can write therefore probability that total score is prime is 5/12. So that is option B is correct. Thank you.